got more now on the CDC's new announcement today that loosens its own guidelines for when and where you should wear a mask.
A lot of areas are still going to encourage mask wearing, but our Calvin Lewis is going to show you what's changed and what these conditions will look like moving forward.
The announcement comes after mounting evidence that those who are fully vaccinated are highly unlikely to spread the virus indoors or even in large social gatherings, meaning you can take your mask off and stop socially distancing.
We all have been waiting for this day since a long time.
Only weeks after it was announced Americans could walk outside without a mask, now the same can be said for those who are fully vaccinated indoors. According to the CDC, people are considered fully vaccinated 2 weeks after their second dose in a 2-dose series, like Pfizer or Moderna, or 2 weeks after a single-dose vaccine, like Johnson & Johnson. It's a move that, as the evidence points to, is one in the right direction.
There are cases where fully vaccinated people have got infected with the virus, but the chances of them having asymptomatic infection is pretty low, and for them to transmit it to others is also very low.
The news even has some local businesses excited.
We can't wait. It's been going a long time, you know.
Marlise Lopper is the owner of Cafe U, an Australian-inspired coffee shop in Cape Coral. Currently, staff wear a mask all the time around the shop, while customers are encouraged to wear them while walking around the building. It's a policy that Lopper says will remain for the time being.
Even though we can go maskless according to the recommendations, whether we actually will, we really just have to think about it a bit, because for us it's really important that our customers feel comfortable.
Right now, there aren't any plans for people to show they've been fully vaccinated. That will have to operate on the honor system.
I'm not that worried, because the amount of time they spend to get from the door to their seat is very limited. The CDC also say that, you know, you have to be face to face with somebody for about 10 minutes before it can become a problem if you're maskless. So I don't think that we do that as to be ultra, you know, careful. So no, I'm not concerned about that.
Health experts like Dr. Gupta are still hoping the country reaches herd immunity.
That will only be attainable when about 80 to 85% of the population gets vaccinated. And once we do get vaccinated, we do reach that point, the use of masks will become redundant automatically. And therefore, from the public health perspective, for the health benefit of all, I would encourage everyone to get vaccinated as soon as possible.
And Dr. Gupta says the benefits far outweigh the risks. However, those who are fully vaccinated and would still like to wear their masks, they can continue to do so. In Cape Coral, Calvin Lewis, Fox 4.